Welcome to this video on accessing GenBank with Geneious Prime. The GenBank database is built and distributed by the National Centre for Biotechnology Information, otherwise known as NCBI. This comprehensive database contains publicly available nucleotide sequences and protein translations. To access the NCBI search options in Geneious, expand the NCBI option in the Sources panel to the left. You can search various NCBI databases, including Genome, Nucleotide, and PubMed. To search the nucleotide database, use the search bar at the top to enter your search query, such as the name of a gene. To fine-tune your search, use the More options to apply filters. Use the plus and minus buttons to add or remove filters. For some results, you will see the icon has faded out. This indicates that these are summary documents. To download these documents, simply select the Download Full Sequences option. Note that the results contained in the NCBI search folders are only temporary. Geneious will clear them each time you run a new search or close the application. To add sequences to your database, drag and drop them from the search folders to one of your local folders in the Sources panel. All GenBank sequences have a text record attached to them, which can be viewed by switching to Text View and choosing the GenBank format. This record contains information related to the sequence, including any references that have cited the entry. Now let's look at how you can browse references from PubMed directly within Geneious. To do this, switch to the PubMed database. Simply enter the author name and/or article title into the search bar and click Search. Use More options to add or remove additional search criteria. Geneious returns a link to the abstract of the publication on the journal website, as well as a Google Scholar link which may show other copies of the paper. To download articles from the PubMed search in a format that can be read by the EndNote citation software, select the papers you want and click File, Export and Documents. In the new window, change the format to EndNote and click Export. You can then import the resulting file into EndNote. Alternatively, to get a format that other citation software packages can read, switch to the BibTeX tab and simply copy and paste the contents into a text file, which the software can read. Let's now take a quick look at NCBI's Genome search function. The Genome database contains genomes from all types of organisms, from viruses and bacteria to large eukaryotes like humans. Enter your organism of interest and press Search. To get the sequence and all the annotations, select your desired file and click the Download button in the viewer. The download may take several minutes for large documents. Once downloaded, you can preview the sequence. As before, if you want to add the genome to your database to use it in Geneious, drag and drop the files to your local folders. You can do this either before or after downloading the full document. And that's how to access GenBank in Geneious Prime. To learn more, visit geneious.com.